Having our store full of different products is great, but if we forget to add attributes to each product so that our customers can choose the variety that best suits their tastes or needs, we will be losing sales, since they will not be able to choose the color, size, or other important feature to make the decision and complete the purchase. However, if you try to add the attributes manually with WooCommerce, it won't be possible to find the missing attributes of your product without having to open them one by one. To help you with that, we will show you how to find and bulk edit products with empty attributes using the WP Sheet Editor Product Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin displays all your products in a handy spreadsheet where you can edit them freely. We have left the link in the description of this video to download the plugin, and you will also find a link that will take you to our written guide. If you want to know which of your products do not have a certain attribute, you can find out by using the search tool. Once the tool is open, let's enable the advanced filters. Then, select the field to which the missing attributes belong. For example, we will use the product color field to find out which products are missing this attribute. But you can use any other. Equal will be the operator we'll use, and leave this field empty. Finally, run the search and all products missing the color attribute will be displayed. Now we are going to add colors to the products that are missing this attribute, but remember that these steps can be followed with any other attribute. Let's first open the bulk edit tool. Here, you can select the rows that you want to update. In this case, we'll select this option to edit all the rows from our current search. Select the product color field. Choose to set the value and select the colors you want. Just remember to separate each new term with a comma. Finally, execute, and all products will have the attribute entered. As you can see, finding and editing your WooCommerce products without attributes is very easy and fast if you use WP Sheet Editor Product Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.